Hey, it's me, I'm Jermaine JC, and this is my intro to the video because I am rocking all my own TGIN, thank God it's natural, and it's for No Shave November. So don't forget, do not shave your beard because this helps out for ovarian cancer, prostate cancer, and that's something that's a big deal for all men out there. And being the so this shirt isn't just what I'm rocking. All month long, I'm going to be talking about TGIN products. Now, this product right here is how I started off. I went from this, then I started caring about my hair, my beard, and from this to this. This is Rose Water Curl Refresher from TGIN, that guy's natural. And last but not least, this is the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. So those three are just for this video, and it's gonna be talking about from lips to ears. And next time you see me, it's gonna be a full wash day. Yes. I wanna make sure I get here real quickly so y'all can understand that I'm gonna give you my videos as soon as possible, Monday and Tuesday. So without further ado, give me 10 to 20 seconds and the shirt's gonna come off. And I'm gonna tell you why at the end of the video. Here's you with the next one. And stay tuned. Watch this video and thumb me up, please. Alright, real quickly, since I got this product and since it's the easiest to put on, this is TGIN. This is TGIN's Peppermint Shea Butter Balm. Balm. I'm gonna get real close so you can see my lips. I'm going to be putting this on every single day. I don't know if I'm going to get it on camera every single day for the next week. But why not show you what it's going to look like. Yeah. So you just, ooh, okay. Simple, like a regular lip balm. You just apply. And how I apply is really different. I don't know if it's different or just normal. You just go like this. You go do it on your lip. And let's have big lips. Gives it a little coating. Okay, like that. And since I'm not gonna just leave it just this as a quickie, I'm gonna try this for the first time. This is the Rose Water Curl Refresher. Since my curls are popping already in this video, there it is. I might as well just try this. I'm gonna try this just for my beard for right now. That should have just, yeah. Ooh, that's good though. It smells great. And, hold on, one more time. Let me look at this. This is a spray bottle, as you see. And it comes out like this. Ready? One more time. A little minty. This right here is instructions are great. I like the instructions. Alright, let's read the benefits. For overworked curls, kinks, and waves, it extends the life of your curls without shampooing. It enhances shine and reduces frizz. It leaves curls soft, moisturized, and manageable. It's just a leave-in. You can use it as a leave-in, or you can just stamp your hair with it. And as you see, my beard look a little bit better already. Let me try these two together. Yes, and I'm sorry I didn't give you my intro. It's me, I'm JC. Yeah, my lips feel very moisturized though. Can't wait to see how this is gonna turn out in a minute. All right, as y'all know, I love to add oil to my beard. I don't know what that is. Hold up. It's just part of my beard. Yeah, like this. This light pick moment. Alright, far as this is Argan. Oh, look at this. This is Argan Hair and Body. This has Argan and Peppermint oil. Look at the bottle. Look at the bottom of the bottle. That's really cool. Alright, this says it's Argan. It's TGIN. It's TGIN Herbal Replenishing Serum with Argan, coconut, jojoba, and vitamin E oils with, it's going to nourish my hair and leave your hair strands soft, shiny, and easy to manage. Great for twist outs, drying hair, curling, roller set, hot oil treatments, and overnight deep conditioner. Okay, that's great. And this has key ingredients. Has coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, peach caramel oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and hibiscus flower, and it has a fragrance. So as you see, I'm unboxing it right now. I'm showing this right in front of you. And I took the top off. Oh wow. Oh no. Yes, it's all in a moment. The top broke. Yeah, hold on. Just go like this. And since this is oil, let's see. Ready? You're just gonna go like this. Flip it in your hands. It smells really good. Oh, this is great. Just my beard alone. Okay. I see that. It smells heavenly. Smells real good. It's really lightweight, as you can see. We're giving you, this is like a before and after for my beard. And as you see, that's what my beard looks like. And we're gonna put a little bit of this oil in my hair. Cause it did something. I like the smell of it. My hair doesn't have oil in it already. I just did a little bit of something. And this may help as wash day happens. But that's the next video. Ooh. Alright. Let's see how the hair looks. Give you a full one. I think Aries loves it. You know, my beard is Aries. Just for y'all to forget. Don't forget, Aries matters. This feels good. See, the funny part about that lip balm, the lip balm is doing great on its own. This oil is only 4 ounces, which is great. It's funny because people don't know this. Oils aren't, most people don't know this. Oils probably cost the most, but oils to make, I make 10 ounces at a time. And me using this all month long is great because 4 ounces is going to go a long way. And you don't need that much oil for your hair. I like this. This is good. I'm taking the top off. I'm not going to put this back on. Hold on, let me see if I did it right. There we go. Now it looks pretty. As far as the shampoo conditioner, I'm going to try both of those on another video for Aries. And I know I got on here to just do something. So I'm going to give you an intro real quick beforehand. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I know you probably saw me have a thumbs up somewhere. You like this video. And why are we doing all this so far for this month? It's because TGIN sent me this package to try. And because I'm bashing, the next time you see the first part of the video, you will see that I have this on. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not gonna be able to wear this probably till the next video, because I'm gonna wear this in the beginning only. So you can probably like, what's the reason why? Because I came on a different video just to get a kind of like a new thing going on. But all in all, I love this beard. My beard looks really good already in full. I'm going to give it more stuff to do. And also, I'm going to be talking more about my hair next time. So, hair porn, beard porn, Aries loves it. So, I'll catch you in the next one. Like this video, thumb me up. And as you know, that this video came on after a new date. It's maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know what just yet. I made sure you get on here real quick to show y'all that I'm making sure I put all these products going on. Alright, catch you later.